Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make this amazing large pizza. First add 2 cups of lukewarm milk. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add 2 tablespoons of dry yeast. 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix well until the sugar dissolves. Now add 6 cups of maida. And then mix them all well and make a soft dough. Knead them for 3 to 4 minutes. After kneading, apply 1 tablespoon of oil. Then wrap it with a cling wrap. Now let it rest for 3 hours. Now take a pizza tray and grease it. We are going to make 3 large pizzas, so we are going to make 3 large pizza tray greased. Now after 3 hours, again knead our soft dough for 1 minute. And then cut them into some pieces. Roll it and make a roti shape. Now add the soft dough into the pizza tray. Now make sure to stab it with a fork. Then cover it and rest it for 10 minutes. Now do the same process for our other dough. Make sure to seal them well. Now stab the whole thing with a fork. Now add mayonnaise or cheese sauce. Then add some ketchup. And also some pizza sauce. Now add the toppings you want. We added paneer. Add which vegetable you like. Now add lots of mozzarella cheese. Now do the same process for our other pizza. But this time we added some fried mutton. Now bake it at preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius in 25 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes it is baked well and now it is very hot, so now serve it. For the last thing, sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes. This both pizza were very tasty and delicious. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.